The DJI Mini 5 Pro, expected to launch in late 2024, is generating a lot of excitement in the drone community. This small but powerful drone is designed to transform aerial photography and videography. It offers cutting-edge features and outstanding performance, making it an ideal choice for adventurers, content creators, and professionals aiming to elevate their drone footage. One of the biggest upgrades in the Mini 5 Pro is its 1-inch sensor. This larger sensor captures more light, resulting in high-quality images and videos. Even in low-light settings, the drone delivers bright, detailed visuals with vibrant colors. It also offers excellent dynamic range, ensuring your shots look incredible whether taken during sunrise, sunset, or in tricky lighting conditions. In addition to its hardware, the Mini 5 Pro is equipped with advanced AI technology. Its smart algorithms can precisely track moving subjects like people, animals, or vehicles, making it easier to record smooth and dynamic footage. The drone also features AI-powered obstacle avoidance, helping it navigate safely through complex environments and reducing the risk of collisions. A standout feature of the Mini 5 Pro is its 5G connectivity. This technology allows for ultra-fast data transfer, enabling real-time live streaming of your flights for an immersive experience. It also enhances the precision of remote control, making complex maneuvers simpler to execute. Plus, with 5G, you can quickly share high-resolution images and videos, whether you're sending them to friends or uploading them to social media. Despite its advanced capabilities, the Mini 5 Pro remains lightweight and easy to carry, weighing under 250 grams. This compact size makes it perfect for travel, whether you're exploring urban landscapes or trekking through remote areas. Its portability ensures that capturing stunning aerial footage is hassle-free, without the need for bulky gear. Another major improvement is the Mini 5 Pro's extended battery life. The longer flight times let you explore larger areas, shoot longer sequences, and reduce the need for frequent battery changes. This is especially helpful for creators undertaking ambitious projects or detailed aerial surveys, providing more freedom to experiment. While the exact release date isn't confirmed, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to be available by late 2024 with a price range of $700 to $800. This makes it an appealing option for both professionals and enthusiasts, offering top-notch features at a competitive price. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is set to redefine the compact drone market. With its 1-inch sensor, advanced AI, 5G connectivity, lightweight design, and longer battery life, it's a perfect tool for capturing breathtaking aerial footage. Whether you're a professional storyteller or simply love creating content, this drone promises endless possibilities. As its release approaches, it's clear the Mini 5 Pro will set a new benchmark for small drones, unlocking fresh opportunities for creativity and expression.